Achilles Kids can be summed up in one word: achievement. The whole goal of Achilles is that people's lives can be changed by having the opportunity to achieve. Working very hard to reach goals that seem impossible has profound implications for all areas of a child's life, at home, at school, and with friends. We want to share with you how your generous support is changing lives for our Achilles Kids. First, we have a wonderful, fun, activity-based running program for children of all ages and all ability levels. Kids run relay races based on a theme. They're running and stretching and exercising, but they're having so much fun they don't even realize it. Thanks to the love, devotion, and dedication of our amazing volunteers, our kids are nurtured, encouraged, supported, and empowered to strive for even greater achievements as they move up to our Central Park Advanced Training Program. In our advanced program, kids run or walk longer distances and train for races of 1, 5, 10 miles, and even half and full marathons. Our kids have developed a love for running and gained greater health, fitness, and self-confidence in the process.
Achilles Kids. It was like a match made in heaven. Running was something he loved to do. He really gets such a sense of pride and accomplishment. Running in the park, running in races. For a child like Dylan, I think it's had tremendous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. He just, lights up after the end of every race. I can't imagine running not being in his life. I can't imagine Achilles Kids not being part of our lives. We feel such a strong sense of community. It's just a wonderful, wonderful organization, and I'm so thankful to be part of it.
We change lives every day. Achilles Kids also has a school-based program which began in 1995, with 75 kids participating in 6 New York City schools. Today, we have chapters in more than 350 schools in 21 states, reaching more than 11,000 children with disabilities. The children in our Achilles Kids school program are almost exclusively poor, minority children with one or more physical or cognitive disabilities. Through Achilles Kids, they have the opportunity to complete a virtual marathon, 26.2 miles, in a school year. But it is hardly their only challenge. Some are homeless or in foster care. Some don't have enough to eat. Some are not surrounded with the love and support in which you would hope every child is enveloped. They struggle with virtually every school-based interaction, academic, personal, social. Tasks we do a million times a day and take for granted are insurmountable for many Achilles Kids. Every step they fight forward is met with another hurdle, but still they persevere. Every day, through pain and confusion and the limitations imposed by their disability, illness, injury, and poverty, they persevere. And as they do, Achilles Kids provides training and support to help them achieve, and a variety of awards. These awards are a portal to another world where hard work is met with reward, where perseverance and sacrifice pay off, where how hard you work and how hard you fight are more important than your test scores, language ability, and social skills. Completing a marathon is a huge accomplishment and something the children are rightly proud of. But it's so much more than that. It really opens up to the kids something that they never thought that they could do. It all comes down to achievement, and it all starts from crossing the finish line. The finish line is really the start line to the rest of their lives.